Welcome back to this tutorial. Today we will be going through story settings. Now I know it shows up here, but I'd like to always be in a map. Story settings. So there's a few different things you can do in here. This is more for side information for your game. Honestly, I haven't used this too much, but we can see what we can get done with it. So this says characters. We'll create our swordsman character. I guess you can do an icon. I don't need to do an icon for this. This will just be swordsman. Sir Sword the Man. This is formal name. Graphic. I'll just make it the default Lord graphic. And this swordsman is our first character. Oh, I guess I should have created a character first. So, swordsman, sword, the man, graphic. We'll just go to face. Whoops. Face. Make it him. Sword is a cool guy. Obviously, you can put whatever you want here, and you can make it so there's display conditions based on a switch, whether it's showing or not. And we'll hit OK. Now, if we go up to game layout and then command layout, we can now activate characters, and we'll just do this on the title screen. We can also activate glossary, gallery, and sound room. So now if we start a game, on the title screen we should be able to go to characters. We got swordsman. Sword the man, here's his portrait, and sword is a cool guy. I'm not sure how you would change the background. That's probably more in resources UI or resource location. But I haven't really messed too much with those. So now let's go back into story settings and see what else we can do. Glossary. Mountain. Just picking random things and adding them. Mount Rook Kurab. Okay. I don't know what those graphics are actually for, but we'll see. The mountain has fallen. And I probably should have created a different word. One thing, I gotta do that all again. Mountain. Mount Rook Karab. The mountain has fallen. Custom parameters. I don't really know what those do. I'll just add a graphic. I don't know what that's for. And once again, you can add a switch to turn this on or off. Looks like we can do the same thing with the gallery. You can do that with a graphic. Nice picture. Give it a thumbnail, I guess. Sound room. Music. And we can add media, music. Just have player phase. Oh, once again, I did not create something, so we'll call it music. Player phase 1. Sounds good. In game settings, display page number on characters, page numbers, enlarge graphics. Okay, let's see how all this looks. So now that we actually have things for each of these, we already checked characters. Let's go to glossary. It's showing this picture. It's kind of the same thing as characters. Oops. Gallery. Something's not working there. And sound room. Okay, I don't know what's going on with those. Let's see if we can fix whatever those are. Sound room, I did music. Description. Sounds. Don't know why this is not showing up. That is odd. Well, this is going to be less informative than I hoped. Does it need one of these things? I'll hit OK. Nope, you got me. Let's see if we can get the gallery working. Just go with none. Da-da-da. Give it an icon. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Gallery. Question marks. Well, I got characters and glossary working. I hadn't tried the other two before, and it doesn't seem like they're working. So I don't know what you got to do there. Hopefully this was somewhat informative. I have seen people change this to like a guidebook, and you can put all your tutorials in here. Instead of, I don't know if I can change that. Let's see if we can change that. Some characters. Let's call this guidebook. Did that work? Sweet. So now you have a guidebook, and you can put all those things such as tutorials in there. So I think we had changed characters. So let's say this is movement. Characters on foot move 5 to 6 spaces. Characters on horses move 7 spaces. Just some filler text. Movement. Looks good. Now just for the heck of it, let's see if we can change the background. Well, let's go to resource locations. Graphics. Crest icon. maybe in UI. This is where you can change all your like UI graphics. So, for example, when your character's trying to move and you have blue spaces saying you can move there, red spaces that you can't. This is the graphic for ally phase. This is where all that weird stuff goes. And then you can change them by the same way we did with graphics and changing character units. You can go to UI and find where these different things are. Like there's something for numbers and letters. And you can change all that stuff. I didn't see the background, but it's going to be somewhere in there. Not my best video, but hopefully you guys can at least see what that menu does. Thank you.